Yes, so today, with the name of Allah, we are starting the use of SPSS. On the screen, you can see there is SPSS file open. And here, first of the thing, you can see there at the top in each column, there is the same word var is written. Var stands for variable, and you understand it quite well. When you compare it with Excel, so it's a bit different. In Excel, you would see A, B, C, D in this way. All the columns would be defined. But here we have to define it ourselves. The horizontal, there are rows, and each row, one, two, three, four, represents different respondents. In comparison to Excel, in Excel, if you remember, there would be sheet one, sheet two, sheet three, and you can give a new name to sheets. But here it's a bit different. You cannot give name as you like. You have to live with the names given here, data view and variable. In Excel, all the sheets do almost the same work or same work. I would not use the word almost. But here, these two views, data view and variable view, perform different tasks. And what variable view does that here you would define the variables. How we would define the variable, I will show you another screen here. You can see here, I have made a very small questionnaire, a very small one. Again, you can see this one questionnaire, gender, age, family income, and all these things. Okay. How it is done, I'm going to show. I would do a few of them. I would make it for gender, age, and family income, and rest of them I would show you that how they are done. So I'm going to start it with you. Okay, so you have a look. The first variable is gender. Here I would write the word gender. And the other thing which is important, this is well. If I come to value, so here I write one, and for one I write male, and for two I write female. Okay? Once I've done it, I would press add, and at the end, okay. Now all these values are there. Now if I come back to the uh, sheet which shows the questionnaire, a hypothetical one. The second one is age, and age values are put from in form of four groups: 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, and more than 30. All these are ages. How I'm going to do it? Have a look. Okay. Now I come back to this Excel, and here again I'm at the variable. You must remember this variable will be defined in the variable. Once I've done it, now I'll come here. Okay, I press the wrong one. I should be in this line. Okay. Here, 1 means 1 to 10. K is I saw you previously. And here, for my understanding, years, 1 to 10 years. And 2 is 11 to 20. That I've done. Okay. Now I will do it 3, 21 to 30 years. Okay. And fourth, it is 31 to, okay, no, already more than 30, okay? 30 years. Okay, that I've done. And once we press it, and okay. Here I would teach you one more thing. Here, if you can see this, there is a measure. If you have studied statistics, you know quite well. There are three different types of measure: nominal, ordinal, and scale. What are the differences among them? Nominal is the one which will be used when the value is assigned for identification. For example, male and female are two different groups, and on the basis of this information, whether a person is male or female, we can just differentiate among them. But I cannot say that someone is more or someone is less. Ordinal is for those values where I mean to say that one value is more than the other. For example, I say grades, grade A, B, C, D. Now A is highest grade, B is lower, C. And this way, if designation is there, I say that there is assistant manager, manager, director. So again, it would be ordinal. At the end, we have quantitative values. For example, age 10, 20, 30, 35. But remember, in our case here, we have age in ranges 1 to 10, 11 to 20. So now it is ordinal, not scale. Scale will be used when each value would represent a different quantity. not the ranges as we have described it here. Okay, I did it in wrong. The first one is nominal and the second one is ordinal. And that's the thing we have done. Now we go back to the value again. Here I've got family income, low, middle, high. Okay, again it's ordinal. Now how I will define it, I'll come here and now I write family income. Here I would teach you one more thing. If I write family income here, you would see it will give a message, illegal character. The problem here is that it does not allow a space in name. What you can do, you can write it FI, and here in label, you can write the way you like. Now, family income. So, see, if label is there, in report, precedence will be given to this label. But you know that you would know the variable by FI, but when report would be generated, it would be family income. And now I think I have got three. I'll have a look at there. Low income. Okay. I'll have a look there. Okay. I will look there that what are the other categories. Okay. They could not like be much time. Low, middle, and high. Not income, just that word low, middle, and high. I come back to the here. Okay. Low income. I would change it now. And this is the button of okay. Now low. Not low income, just low, and I have changed it. Okay, now it's low. The second one is middle. Okay, now I've written middle. Okay, 8 and 3 is high. That I've done. Okay, now we have put it. See here, I have done it, and I will show you that how it is shown in the data. Gender, age, and FI. You can see this. Similarly, I can define the other variables. I would request you to do it. That all these would be done now. Residence and then program. You watch talk show, drama, yes and no. And now have a look. Manual code book I've made, and here it would look like this. Okay. So this all things have been done, and I think you can do it quite easily. So once you have done it, at the end, how it would look, I would show you the final result, which I did previously. Okay, this is the species code book. Okay, and variable view I will show you. Okay, now you can see here that that has been done, and you can see that how the things have been defined. Okay, here I would remove this. Okay, because I don't want to show you this one right now. Okay, so I clear it. So these are the ones which are there, and we have made them quite easily. So now you can do it as well. And once here we have inserted the data, okay, all the data is fed, gender, age, family income, residence, and all the answers. Okay, this button is very important for understanding. Okay, this again, that we click it, it will change from number to this labels, and from labels to numbers. And if I tell you that I have got one person, the person is, for example, it is respondent 73. The gender is female 2. Okay, age is in group 4. Okay. Okay, and the family income is middle income 2. Residence, he lives in a particular city. I'll see that which city he lives. I must know that what are the cities I've got. Okay, here. I come up here. I'll see that I've got Karachi and others. Okay, so I would put this person in the other city. Come here. The 2 would be the value which I would put here. And then talk show. Do you watch? No, I don't watch. Drama? No. Cartoon? No. Other I watch, but I don't tell that what the other is. And now, for example, I agree with all these statements, okay? And I can see this. So, in this video, we have simply told you that how you can create the code book and how you can insert the information. That is something very important. One more thing which I want to show you in this video is that we have got these four statements. Suppose that these four statements are measuring one construct, and we would call that construct, for example, satisfaction. So, how is it possible for us to convert these statements into one, and that would be named satisfaction? So, I'm going to teach it to you. To do it, what we can do, okay, selecting this is not necessary. Without the age selection, the work can proceed. I go to transform, and here you can see that there is something that is written compute variable. Transform and compute variable. Once I've done it, okay, and now you can see here that I write the variable name satisfaction. Yeah, that is the target variable name. Okay, satisfaction. I think made many mistakes in the spelling. Yeah, English spelling is really very difficult, and for the non-native, it's more difficult. So satisfaction. I have satisfactorily written. Now I move to how I would write a formula. So in SPSS, this is the formula. I can combine all these items into me again. So that see how I'm doing it. After each of the element, which would go into formula, I am putting comma. You can see comma is the separator between different items which are being inserted in it. Again, once I've done it, okay, now have a look. Uh, okay, see if you look at the background. S1, S2, S3, and S4. And there is nothing. But once I press this button, so you would see that there would be the number. Okay, and I'm going to press it, and you will have a look. They have given me it maintains a log for each action. Now I come to this, and here you can see that how computed this. Okay, and I'll show you these values. Okay, if you look at these values, 5 plus 4, 9, 5 plus 4, 9, total is 18. 18 divided by 4 is 4.5. And one more value, okay, if you have a look at them, 2 plus 1, 3, and 2, 5, 1, 6, 6 divided by 4 is 1.5. So each of the calculation has been done very nicely, and I think you have learned two things. In this short video, we have learned two things. One, how to create the code book. I'll show you once more that manually code book we have created. You can see this. This is the questionnaire, a hypothetical one, and the manual code book. And how the things are to be done. Here we have shown in the video where it's to be done in variable view and how the things are done. Everything is shown here, and we have ended this video. We hope that it would help you learn it. Inshallah, we'll meet in another video. Thanks.